Pinda oil is an Ayurvedic oil. It is rich in nutrients like fatty acid, antioxidants, and vitamins. It is traditionally used in Africa and parts of Asia for skin care and hair care. Therefore, pinda oil is a must-have in your beauty regimen. Today, we will discover the amazing benefits of pinda oil and how to use it. Watch this video till the end so that you know all of them. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Benefits for skin. Number 1. Moisturization. Pinda oil deeply nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it ideal for dry and flaky skin types. Number 2. Anti-aging. Its antioxidant properties help fight free radicals and reducing the signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Number 3. Acne treatment. Pinda oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe acne-prone skin and reduce itching. Number 4. Even skin tone. Regular use of pinda oil can promote a more even skin tone and reduce hyperpigmentation. Benefits for hair. Number 1. Hair growth. Pinda oil stimulates hair follicle and promotes hair growth, making your locks stronger and healthier. Number 2. Conditioning. It deeply conditions hair strands, leaving them softer, smoother, and more manageable. Number 3. Scalp health. Massaging pinda oil into the scalp can improve circulation and help alleviate dryness or itching. How to use pinda oil? As a facial serum. Mix a few drops of pinda oil with your moisturizer or apply directly to your face after cleaning. And also you can use as a body oil. Apply pinda oil to damp skin after shower to lock in moisturizer. And as a hair treatment, massage pinda oil into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 3 minutes or overnight. Then wash it out with shampoo. Whether you are looking to moisturize a dry skin, fight signs of aging, or boost hair growth, use pinda oil and experience the natural radiance it brings.